Now that we've just got done juicing, I'm going to show you how to take this apart. It's so super easy. Easy to take apart, easy to clean and put back together. So you're just going to take your top off, pull out the grinder, and take off any excess fruits or veggies that are still hanging around. Clean out the bottom. Do the same thing with the screen here, and then take these two pieces apart. And then this comes off, and I just scoop out that excess there. And I just clean it up with just hot water, a little bit of dish soap with my dish wand. The screen is probably the most tedious part of this cleaning process. Otherwise, most of it you can just really just rinse off even. Off the screen, set it aside again, and then on the side of here there's a lever. It's open and close, so I just go ahead and open that, clean out where the pulp comes out of, add a little soap in there just to get rid of stickiness. You don't want sticky buildup in there. You can also take your little brush, clean any crevices, and this little orange wheel that's in there sometimes gets sticky, so I just go ahead and brush that every so often. And then for the screen. So with the screen, you've got your little brush, and you just go around it in circular, in this circular motion all the way around, loosening up any debris that might be stuck in all the little holes. And I rinse off the outside, and then I go around and do the same thing on the inside. You want to always make sure that your screen is really clean, because that's where your juice comes from, is your vegetables squeezed out through this screen, or your fruits squeezed out through this screen. So you want to make sure that the screen is not full of debris, so your juice can go through there, right? Set that aside. This is my last thing. It needs to be washed, but I need to, I take this out to my chickens. or you can put it in your compost bin, or some people add it to breads or muffins or soups, stuff like that. So this still needs to be cleaned up, but we're gonna set that aside, take that out to the chickens. Just wipe down the counter, wipe down the machine. Just make sure everything is cleaned up. Lickety split. And then I usually make sure that my machine is dry before I put it together, but just for the sake of this video, I'll put it back together right now for you guys. So we have our stand, our base. I have my little lever here open, so now I'm going to close it. This goes in and it snaps down into the little orange wheel on the side there. Then your screen, snap, and your grinder, and then the top. Voila, easy peasy. Happy juicing.